Okay, so one clear-cut trade is that if we sell out of money because we have a wide CPR. Okay, the best trade will be, this was a big resistance 35,100. So let me sell 35,100 call option, and yesterday's low was 4,100 option. So today's expiry, okay. Also, we see that this was the turning point, which is also yesterday's high. Also, it took a support here, so this also becomes an important level. Okay, this becomes an important level intraday. Same bank Nifty also took support here, so this becomes an important level intraday. I'm expecting it to be range bound, so one simple trade will be selling 35,100 call in Bank Nifty, this one, and also selling 34,100 put, both of it. So if you sell both of it, that's one trade you can take. I will be not taking this trade because I can sell only one lot each, so it will not make me much money, so I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'll be looking to short futures if it goes there. That's what I'll be looking. Now see, one thing we can easily see here that there is a rejection again from the same level. Problem is below we have a very strong support in this zone because this is CPR zone, and that's the reason I'm not yet shorting it. Okay, same we can see rejection here in Bank Nifty also, but here also we see it's in the CPR zone. That's why I'm not yet shorting it. This becomes a very important trend line. If you join the lows, this also becomes a very important significant trend line. Yesterday's low was also on the trend line. So unless this breaks, We should go here. Chances that we take support at the CPR and go up here or more. yet no clear-cut opportunity to buy or sell. This can be bought with a stop loss, actually. Only the problem with this resistance. What we can do if we buy one lot, how much will be our risk? Risk will be 840, 840, 880. No man, 40 points risk. So risk is there. We cannot take that kind of risk. My stop loss would be somewhere here. It will be 832. It is 880. 50 points stop loss. Cannot keep. Though my reward is better, 100 point, but still it has to come here. Then I can buy somewhere here. You know. This zone is acting as a supply zone. This zone here, this is acting as a intraday supply zone. That's why we are not able to cross above this. That's same case in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also we see that here there is a supply zone. That's why we see continuous selling in this zone, and that's why cannot close below above that. So now we'll keep waiting and watching to see if we get past the supply zone. If we break down from this zone, then we have to short it. There is no yet signal even of a breakdown. We see options data. I see that multiple times Nifty is not able to cross this. Let's short Nifty. But today's high is the stop loss. 25 points stop loss I will have. Right. What's a 35 point? Another trade is that I sell 4900 call. On expiry day I usually refrain from option selling, as premiums fluctuate a lot. Market is really like a chameleon. Girgit. You really would need to wait and watch to see its true colors before you enter a trade, else you will be smashed on the both sides. There is no follow through on either side, so it's just like since past half an hour we are just in this zone of this is just heaven for option writers. The premium keeps decreasing. Like I said at the morning in the beginning of the trade, that one trade can be to sell out of money options on both sides. I did not do it because my capital is 2 lakh, and if I just sell one lot each both side, then I'm not actually making any kind of money. That would be 22,000, 2,500 rupees, and that too is a significant risk, so I avoided it. You see, Bank Nifty is actually closing above this, right? What is hourly chart of Bank Nifty saying? So we ought to go up because of the divergence. What is the stop loss here? Actually, let me see on the futures. 715. Yeah, actually I can buy Bank Nifty. So I'll be buying Bank Nifty now. Okay. Bank Nifty futures I will be buying. Okay, I'll buy one lot now, one lot on reversal. Okay. Okay, so I have bought one lot Bank Nifty. One lot more I will buy on reversal. Okay. Around 750, I'm 760, I'll buy one more lot. And my stop loss is a close below 700. A close below 700 means I'll exit, so I will not be losing much. I'll be losing at max 2000 to 2500 rupees, while my target is this 200 points. So 50 to 80 points is my stop loss, while my target is 200 points. So almost 1:3 to 1:5. Yes. Now, one more reason why I bought one lot is that Nifty has reversed. Nifty is not breaking above this. Now, it cannot happen that Bank Nifty goes up and Nifty comes down, right? That is simply not possible. And that's the reason I have bought just one lot. Because if this changes, if this candle closes below this, then this trade is gone. And here we see reversal on Nifty also coming. Okay, so the other thing which I'm thinking, selling Nifty, I'm hedging myself. But let's see. Let's see Nifty hourly chart now, and Nifty also should go up only if my Nifty goes up. This zone should act as a support now. Nifty clearly is unable to pass through this zone. Nifty falling like this, what does it mean for Bank Nifty? Means if Bank Nifty also reverses, then Nifty will fall like hell. Because now when banks are supporting, Nifty is yet falling. 14,700, 140 points. This is where I will add one more lot of Bank Nifty. Okay, and now we'll place our stop loss also. Okay, bought one more lot. Our stop loss will be just below this level of 700, so we'll place 695 as our stop loss. So let me put my stop loss here. Salam. 695. So if we fall below that, then this trade is gone. So you see our stop loss is less than 100 points, so we'll be making at max loss of less than 2500. But profit, our target is around 35,000, so good 200 points target is there. Also be ready to reverse the trade in case the stop loss hits, because then it's very clear that we are going down. Like you see, Nifty is going down, so chances are that Bank Nifty will drag along. So if the stop loss hits, if there is a closing below this line, we will reverse our position, reverse our trade. There's no point fighting the market. If your market proves you wrong, you exit. That's as simple as it gets. Some people are so much in love with their position that even when they are making a loss, they stick to it. They do not put stop loss. They think that putting my stop loss will cause it to hit and all sorts of things, but they never realize that if you don't put a stop loss, emotionally you will never feel like booking, and you will keep expecting that the market goes up or goes in your direction, and you end up making more loss. So it's always better to put a stop loss in the system. If it hits, if it hits. Chances are that it will hit now. If it has to go up, it will go from here, else it will go down. Same with Nifty. This is the day low. If it has to reverse, it has to reverse from here, else it will go down. Now, on expiry day, be prepared to see volatility on either side, because option writers are at place and they will make money only when the option prices premium depreciate, and that will not happen if you see a movement in a single direction. So that's why you always see a lot of volatility on expiry. And people getting trapped on both sides. So it's a very common thing. Oh, it's calling me. Hello. Yeah, who is this? Yeah, tell me. Okay, okay. Just give me a call before you come. Yes. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Let me enlarge this one for everyone to see. So you see this point of this particular big candle. If we close below this, then the view changes and you exit. Now, cause of volatility also, this might get hit. So that's why I've kept the stop loss a little below this point. And after that also, if it hits and we'll exit, we'll book the loss. pure price action trading we are doing. This is the zone that clearly we can see is the point from where we fell. There was a big resistance at this point, a support at this point. When this support break, we fell a lot. Now again we are expecting the same support to work. If it still doesn't, again, yeah, we can expect market to go down again then. Like I said, Nifty, if it has to reverse, it has to reverse now. Else it will be too late for it to reverse. So let's see. Guys, if you want to learn price action trading, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and you can join me daily. I'll be explaining each of the trades I take live, nothing to hide. If there are losses, we'll see the losses. There are profits, we'll see the profits. In a year time, we'll see how much have we made. So that's the target. Also a disclaimer that please consult your financial advisor. Okay, all the trades that I do or I'm showing here are for you guys to learn, and in no way is an advice to buy or sell to anyone. So understand there is a risk of losing significant amount of money in futures and options market and in stock market. So advise you all to be cautious of that and understand that the trades I'm taking are on my own and is in no way an advice to anyone to buy or sell. That's totally your discretion. So now we see that the market is showing a reversal just from the point where I said it should. Okay, and that's great. And this is a good, if the candle closes something like that, then it means that yeah, we are good to go. And then we'll be targeting here. This would be our target 35,100, but I will be closing mine one lot somewhere here at 35,000, being a psychological kind of resistance. So, and also since it's an expiry day, so usually there's a lot of money online at these psychological supports and resistances like 35,000, 34,000, 34,500, and all these levels. So that's why we'll be booking one lot much prior to that. Let's see how this candle closes. This candle closing will give us a hint whether we'll be in profit or loss going forward. Yeah, Nifty also showing that it can go up from here. If anyone has any query, they can post it in the comment section and I'll reply that. Almost we are reaching the hour mark. So our stop loss is hit. We booked the loss. Good, no issues. Let's see Nifty. Shall I reverse the trade right now? The problem is if I reverse my trade here, there is a support of CPR and my stop loss is big, 150 points. But since we have seen that this supply zone has holded, I like to reverse. The only thing is I will not reverse with two lots. I'll reverse the trade with just one lot. So you guys see that I've reversed the trade with one lot. I have sold one lot and I have reversed my position. Okay. Let's just wait and watch now. Guys, I'm going on mute. Cause let's just wait and watch